I never get tired of eating this delicious salad. Here I cut a quarter cabbage. This is a super easy delicious salad recipe. Then I add all cut cabbage in a bowl. Wash with water. Now I cut onion. Also a lemon of half. I take the onion on a bowl, then squeeze the lemon. Mix lemon juice with onion. Now I take a carrot. Took the carrots into a bowl. 2 boiled egg. Cut eggs like this. I add into carrots, onion, then add cabbage. Added 2 teaspoons sugar. White vinegar 2 teaspoons. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Mayonnaise 1/2 cup. Then mix all. Continue mix it. This delicious salad is ready to serve. Do you like the recipe? Please comment below. Do not forget to follow our page for more recipe. Thanks for watching.